Welcome. Welcome viewers, welcome friends, welcome foes, welcome science noobs and science pros. We spent a lot of time spaced out on our channel. Now we're going to get meteorologied out. And we're looking at nullschool.net's global map here. And what this is Saharan dust. So it's not really that dense here, folks, but you can see this tropical system here in the central Atlantic is indeed picking up some dust into it. That will not serve to strengthen the system. Dust has certain effects on tropical systems that do not increase its ability to get stronger. So that's probably a good thing, as we don't necessarily need to see more hurricane strikes, especially major hurricanes hitting the mainland U.S. and so on. That's less than fortunate. So anyway, that's the current situation. Keep in mind this dust isn't that dense. It's not going to have that big of an effect. And let's switch to the normal views that we usually look at here. And let's start out on the east side. East side. Here's the east side. Shout out to all of our viewers from the east side. There's your surface winds. Pretty windy in the Southern Ocean, as well as around the Tongan Trench, which is right here in between Tonga and New Zealand, just north of the Kermadec Trench. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. A bunch of funky convective eddies here over the North Pacific as summer is coming to a close. We're approaching another equinox, folks. And we'll be streaming live at the moment of the equinox, most likely. God willing. All right, so here are the western world's jet streams. We've got some backward jet stream flow here over the central Atlantic. And we do see some jet stream influence here around that tropical system. Here are the surface winds. And we'll zoom into this tropical system to check and see how strong the winds are, at least as reported by this. We've got some pretty strong winds here, folks. There's a hurricane force wind showing up right away. So at least hurricane force winds out there, probably more like 90 miles an hour. It's tough to get a full wind measurement here from nullschool.net. It's better for more zoomed out stuff. Anyway, continuing on, checking power outages. Louisiana's got about 100,000 more people back online since yesterday. We hope things return to normal soon in New Orleans. We've got some hydrologic output here caused by some Mississippi flooding, most likely, as the central U.S. has been getting massive rains. A bunch of flash flood watches there in the central U.S. If your county's lit up, click on your county. We've also got some lightning anomalies. Check out this crazy lightning here around Bermuda. Well, southeast of Bermuda, I'll say. Also a big anomaly up here. All right, that's now off the data, but look at that lightning storm there. That is one heck of a lightning storm in the north central Atlantic. Let's check our real-time lightning map. It's lightningmaps.org, powered by blitzachtung.org. I like to check it out when I hear lightning. And hey, Kansas City, you've got some lightning to your south. St. Louis, same deal, southwest of you. There is lightning. And that may actually hit St. Louis. It is moving slightly to the north. And yes, you can use it to predict thunder and frighten the natives and convince them that you're Thor or something, if they're Vikings. Next, pressure maps. Here are your pressure maps from windy.com. Anticyclone just east of New Zealand is the highest pressure on the planet. We'll advance this into tomorrow. There's the pressure forecast for the European forecast at 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Nothing to write home about there. By the way, we do regularly stream live to Twitch. This video is currently streaming live to Twitch, twitch.tv/smAsho. Thanks to our subscribers over there. Followers, whatever you call them, I don't know. But we regularly do live streams because it's such a good platform. Speaking of which, let me check the life of the stream here. And everything at the Smash News Network looks just fine. We're also on BitChute. Thanks to our followers over there on BitChute. Subscribers, whatever they're called. And we get lots more views over there per day than we do on other platforms. BitChute.com/smashamash. Most of our content is on YouTube. If you're viewing the videos on BitChute, you're missing like 80-90% of our content. YouTube.com/smashamash, the main source of funding for our content. Not the main source of funding, the main source of content, period. The main source of funding for the content's the Smash team. smashamash.com/smash team. Check it out. It's spectacular. And throughout the month of September, we'll actually show you clips, also thanks to our patrons who made it all possible. Thanks, patrons. We've eliminated our credit crawl because we're phasing out Patreon. By October 1st, we expect to have it completely phased out. And we're going to actually show you insider stuff all through September. So throughout the month of Smashtember, we're going to be showing you all sorts of stuff that nobody else gets to see on smashamash.com/smash team, because there's all kinds of analysis and information nobody else gets to see. So consider becoming a member over there, smashamash.com/smash team. You can find links on the homepage at smashamash.com. This is a lengthy article by Rupert Sheldrake, and if you want to see that, you'll just have to go to the website. You'll also find links there to our Redbubble shop. The designs are spectacular. And if you want the exclusive merch, you've got to sign up for a 1-year paid membership at smashamash.com/smash team. Continuing on, welcome to the Neo Renaissance. There's our homepage. It's spectacular, and shout out to Smash staff. Please give Smash staff a raise by joining the Smash team. All right. Now that our ads are out of the way, here's the U.S. Doppler radar map, and there's an atmospheric pond moving over the central U.S. It's moving quite slowly here. Let's see why by looking at the cloud layer. Well, that's not giving us very much insight, although there is a Borg sphere flying across the satellite imagery. Just kidding, folks. That's probably moon shadow. Anyway, there is the water vapor map. And this system is going to turn to the north here because the path of least resistance is going to be in this direction, because this is high pressure. Dry massive air is more massive. Dry air is more massive than moist air because of the molecular mass of water versus nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, N2 versus H2O. N2 is more massive. And so that's going to turn a little bit to the north. Hope that helps. Here's your recap. There's the Doppler radar. As this system moves into Illinois, looks like it's going to maybe hit Chicago there. Again, it's going to move a little bit to the north as a result of the high pressure system in front of it. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer, the 3.9 nanometer radiation map from the NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. It's pretty sweet. Shows you clouds at nighttime, and here is the water vapor map. Once again, thanks for tuning in to the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I've been your host, Dan, and we'll see you next time on our meteorology segment.